Hey guys, today is 14th of August, so Independence Day is around the corner for us. So it gives us an occasion to indulge in something special. Today I'm going to make a creme caramel. Of course, creme caramels are very dense in calories. It's got a lot of sugar, it's got a lot of fat. But hey, it's Independence Day. So why not make something which makes you happy, takes you to that blissful space. And creme caramel is definitely the recipe for that. Come, let's make it. So the ingredients, we have got 500 ml of heavy cream, around 30% fat. Again 500 ml of full fat milk, 6 eggs, around 200 grams of sugar. So you'll need around 125 grams in the caramel and around 75 in the custard, and some good quality vanilla extract. I've also got 4 ramekin bowls, 2 larger around 400 ml size and 2 smaller around 100 ml size. So a total capacity of around a liter. So I'm starting by making the caramel first. So I'm measuring out around 125 grams of sugar. To this I'm going to add around 75 ml of water. Mix the sugar and the water before you put it on the heat for caramelization. I've taken a heavy bottom steel pan and I'm putting it on medium heat, and then slowly pour the sugar syrup. Let it be there on the flame undisturbed till the time it changes color. So in the meantime I have taken another container and I have mixed the cream and the milk. To this I am adding around 75 grams of sugar and we will be just heating it. Remember, we don't need to boil this, we just need to heat this at around 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So the milk has reached its temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are going to take it off the heat now. In the meantime I have put the oven also in preheating around 140 degrees Celsius. So you can see the caramel has got a very nice color now, but we are going to do it a little further. I want to take it right to the edge. So this is the color that you want. Move it off the heat and very carefully add a little bit of water to stop the cook. Look at the color of the caramel. It's very dark. Now before the caramel cools off, we need to pour this into the ramekin bowls. So get the bowls ready beforehand. Now once the caramel is poured like this, we are going to put it in the freezer for around 15-20 minutes for the caramel to solidify. Next, take a large bowl and crack the eggs in. So totally we are going to put around 6 eggs and just mix it gently and add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next we are going to do an important process. This is called tempering of the eggs. So take the milk in an easily maneuverable jug. Remember, if the milk is too hot, then the eggs are going to get cooked and your texture is going to get ruined. So be careful about that. Now slowly start pouring the milk and at the same time continuously keep mixing this. The custard is ready. Now we are going to pass it through a strainer. So I have taken out the ramekins from the freezer now. So you can see the caramel is completely solidified. Now we are going to pour over the custard on this. So before putting it into the oven, I am just creating a water bath for the ramekins. So I am just adding some hot water into this. So the custard has gone into the oven now, 140 degrees for 1 hour. The creme caramel is out of the oven now. Now we're going to rest it overnight and tomorrow we'll see how it comes out. So it is next morning. Caramel is rested overnight and you can see it is completely set now. Now we're going to flip the caramel over with a small knife. Just gently loosen the edges. Just put it on the counter. Put the plate on the top of it and then just gently flip it. So what you want to do is a sideways motion like this and there. The caramel is out. See how gorgeous it looks now. And there you have it, my beautiful creme caramel. If you like the content, then please consider sharing, subscribing, and hit the bell icon for more.